This is Oppo K12x 5G smartphone. This is a budget smartphone from Oppo, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. With the help of next feature, you can increase the internet speed a lot. Simply open your Wi-Fi and then click on Wi-Fi Assistant. There you will see the option of dual channel network acceleration. Click on this and then enable this. Now it will use your Wi-Fi and mobile data at the same time to fasten your internet connection. In this smartphone, you can even adjust the brightness level of the flashlight. Simply tap and hold on the torch and then there you will see the option of 4 levels. With the help of this, you can increase and decrease the brightness level of torch. Just like your desktop and your laptop, you can use any application in floating window. Simply open any application, then put it in recent. Click on these 3 dots. There you will see the option of floating window. Click on this. As you can see, this app will start floating and you can use your application as usual and this will remain in floating window. You can also adjust the size from the corners. You can also drag it anywhere you want. And if you want to close it, then click on this cross. You can also enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen feature. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on more. Scroll down, there you will see the option of double tap to lock. Enable this, scroll down a little and there you will see the option of double tap to wake or turn off screen. Now whenever you're on home screen, simply double tap on the empty area, it will lock your screen, and double tap on the locked screen, it will wake your screen. With the help of next feature, you will be able to use your smartphone with a single hand very conveniently. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on more. Scroll down and there you will see the option of icon pull down gesture. Click on this and then enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you don't have to reach at the top to open any application from the corner. Simply swipe from the corner like this. It will drag all the apps around your thumb and then open any app like this. So with the help of this, you can use your smartphone with a single hand very conveniently. This phone also comes with smart sidebar feature. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on special features. There you will see the option of smart sidebar. Click on this, click on get started and then enable smart sidebar. Now you will see it will start showing a transparent bar on the right side of the screen. Simply swipe from that bar to the left and it will open your smart sidebar. You can do a lot with the help of this. You can open your favorite apps very conveniently. You can also save any file temporarily to the file dock, and you can also translate any page on the real time with the help of this screen translate feature. It feels really uneasy to reach at the top and then open this notification bar, but there's a gesture by which you can easily open this control panel. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on more. Scroll down, there you will see the option of swipe down on home screen. By default, it is selected to global search. You have to select notification drawer. Now if you will scroll down on the empty area, it will open your notification drawer. You can also customize the looks and the shape of the icons in this smartphone. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on icons. There you will see the option of material, pebble, etc. If you want to change to another shape, then click on custom. There you will see a lot of options. Select your favorite one. You can also change the system colors to the theme. Simply enable this adopt system colors and it will change the icons to that specific theme. Click on apply and as you can see, it will change the icons to that specific theme. If you want to increase the life of your battery, then you must enable the next feature. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on battery. Scroll down, there you will see the option of smart charging. Enable this. Now it will charge your phone up to 80% normally and then charge the remaining 20% little slowly. So with the help of this, it will increase the lifespan of your battery a lot. Now let's talk about some of the screen off gestures. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on additional settings. Click on gesture and motions and on the top click on screen off gesture. The third one is draw an O to open camera. If you will enable this and when your screen is locked, then you can draw an O and then it will automatically open your camera application like this. The fourth one is draw a V to turn torch on or off. If you enable this and then lock your smartphone, then you can simply draw a V to turn on your flashlight and again draw a V to turn off your flashlight. You can also set any favorite application for a lot of symbols or letters. For example, if you click on this draw W, click on open an app then select your favorite application and then enable this. Now if you will draw a W on the locked screen, then it will open your favorite application like this. This phone can reach up to 300% of your volume level. As you can see, if you will increase the volume, it can go up to 300% like this. If you want to increase your movie watching experience and your gaming experience, then you must enable the next feature. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on sound and vibration. Scroll down and there you will see the option of O reality audio. As you can see, there are 4 categories: gaming, music, movies, etc. You can select your favorite one as per your usage and it will give you a little enhanced experience as per your category. Let's talk about this cool feature, Music Party. You will see in your app drawer there's application named Music Party. So with the help of this, you can sync several phones and it will play same song in all these phones. So if you are with your friends, then you must use this Music Party application. You can also use 2 applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of next feature. So you open any application, put it in recent and then click on these 3 dots. There you will see the option of split screen. Click on this and then select the second application you want to use. As you can see, I can use 2 applications, YouTube and Play Store at the same time. So with the help of this, you can use 2 applications in a single screen. You can also monitor your real-time internet speed in your status bar. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on notification and status bar. Click on status bar and then enable real-time network speed, and then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar. If you will long press your power menu, it will launch the Google Assistant app instead of your power menu. If you want to change it to power menu, open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then click on additional settings, scroll down and then click on power button. Click on this one and then enable power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, it will open your power menu.